Hi there. It's Yvonne Arnold with the Arnold Group. I'm a realtor in Corona and Riverside, California. I am in front of a fantastic new listing in the Sycamore Creek neighborhood of South Corona, just off the 15 freeway and Indian Truck Trail at Campbell Ranch Road. I'm going to be holding a virtual open house here this Saturday morning from 11 a.m. to 12 noon. You'll be able to get a full walkthrough of this home by joining me on my Facebook page. Just search Facebook for the Arnold Group Real Estate. This home has 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a huge upstairs loft. You'll be able to ask questions, get valuable info, and schedule an in-person showing right from the comfort of your couch. So join me Saturday from 11 a.m. to 12 noon. If you'd like early information, just give us a call at 951-734-4300. I'm Yvonne Arnold of the Arnold Group, where we keep you safe and moving forward.